Hello everyone, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello. I'm really glad you clicked on this video. I do hope by the end of it you will decide to subscribe and become part of the Gem Squad family. Alright, so I've got an unboxing. I have the Glam Bag X, and I'm really mad at Ipsy. I emailed them because it said tracking forever, and this is from February. It's like my Glam Bag X coming March, what is it? 11th? Are you kidding me right now? That's totally unacceptable. But I did reach out to them on Twitter, and they said that my package and my add-ons was no longer available when I paid for that. So she said they were refunding me and sending me out a new box. And I have no idea what's going to be in here, and if this is the new box or the old box. I don't know. Let's find out. Okay. This one always comes with a newspaper to tell you about the products and the prices. And this is curated by Addison, I believe her name was. I'm just going to take everything out because I have no idea what I'm looking at here. Okay. Alright, let's see. Alright. Let's start somewhere. Okay. The Tula Skincare 24/7 Moisture Hydrating Day and Night Cream. I'll put prices for you on the screen. I do like the brand Tula. I like their cleansers. And this is a moisturizer. Ooh, nice and thick. Ooh, and it smells good. I would just worry about whether or not this would clog my pores, to be honest with you. Then again, I clog them every day when I put on primer, but you know. Okay, so not bad. Okay, so far we've got a moisturizer. Let's move on. Facial Radiance Niacinamide Dark Spot Serum. I want to say this was a choice of mine, but then again, I don't know if this is the box that has the choices. She said they were no longer available. Okay. Yeah, it's just a nice light serum. And I do like First Aid Beauty. I especially love their Radiance pads. Okay. Let's see what we got next. Pat McGrath Labs Lust Gloss. This has to be my original box because she said these things weren't available. Look at that. That's beautiful. We're going to try her on. Don't know if it's going to go with this eyeshadow, but that's okay. Oh, I love it when they smell like cake. A nice light tint, which is workable when you've got one that is a nice tint, because then you can mix it with something else if you want. Okay, what's this? Oh, the Ouai sunglasses. Is it Koi? Or no, I'm sorry, I'm saying Ouai, but it's like, I forget how they pronounce it. I'm just going to be honest, I don't remember. But I did like the fact that they offered a few different things in here this time, although I usually like mostly makeup. Let's see. I believe, wasn't it Jaclyn Hill that did like a collab with them at one point? It's a long time ago, but I'm pretty sure she did. I'm also pretty sure she got the name wrong too. Okay, this is taking a little time, but ooh, let's see. Okay, I can deal with that. What do you guys think? Me? I like. They're nice and sturdy. They come with a little cloth in here. Okay. Aceology Multivitamin Brightening Biodegradable Mask. Ooh, okay. Yeah. It's a sheet mask, isn't it? Oh. Okay. Well, sheet masks, I don't end up tasting them. It's annoying because they never make them big enough. But I am excited to try this because I have been working on my skin with texture and hyperpigmentation, and anything that's brightening that can help me rid of that, I'm all for it, especially at my age. Okay, so this has got to be the bag that I chose. Or maybe it was just, I don't know if it was a choice. It might have been a choice. I don't know. I thought it was like a purse. I thought it was a purse. Yeah. And it says Ipsy in it. And it's got the straps in here. So it's like a little crocodile thingy. And it's got the Ipsy right here. And then it's got the straps. Okay, so this has to be my bag, which means that's probably my add-ons right there that they told me I wasn't going to get. All right, let's go ahead and just see. Okay, let's see. Am I rocking Ipsy stuff? It's a cute little bag that you'd put like 2 things in. All right, let's recap before I get to, oh no, there's one more item. I don't know what I was thinking. Okay, wait a minute. Item Beauty. Yes, this is it because I did choose this. This here is the eyeshadow palette. Let's recap before we get into that. All right, so we've got the Pat McGrath lip gloss. We got the, or I got the Facial Radiance Niacinamide Dark Spot Serum. Super excited about that. The Tula Moisturizer. The Koi, I think it's Koi sunglasses. I showed you that one. The Aceology. The bag. And this palette right here. Item Beauty. Here she is. Ooh, she looks super pretty. There's a mirror in here, but look, guys. Yeah. Oh, it smells like cocoa. Huh. All right. Ooh, Obsessed. Must. Let's do a matte. Gotta have it. Okay. Let's do some swatches. If you guys want to see this swatched, I'll go ahead and do it over on my other channel. So my videos are not that long. I do just swatches over there. All right, so far, okay, I'm liking it. Liking it a lot. I think this was worth it, but I'm so sad that it came in March instead of February. But overall, I can't say that this was a bad box. Now, let me go ahead and go over and make sure this is my add-ons. Give me just this. Okay. I thought you were lost. I was so excited about this. The Morphe Make It Black palette. I was going to buy it from Morphe, but then I saw it in add-ons and I was like, oh my gosh, that's a good deal. Complex Culture brushes and Mented Pink About Me. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Oh, this is so beautiful. Look at that color. Oh, but it's just a tint. It's more of a gloss. Check that out. It smells pretty good. Okay, so the Complex Culture brushes, I do like them. I'm super excited right now. You got this is a large shader, this is your blender, this probably crease, and this one here could, I don't know, be highlight maybe. Woo, I'm excited, guys. I'm so excited. It wasn't lost. Let's open her up. Oh, she's in cardboard. Okay. Ta-da! Alright. Oh, here we are. Yes. I am so excited about this. Yes. Guys, tell me what you think down in the comments below. I'm going to actually do the swatches over on my other channel, so this video is not so long. But I am super happy that I got my original box. I'm I'm just so relieved. I was just really looking forward to it, so I'm happy. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I know it's a month late. It's over a month late, but you know, it happens. Tell me if you had any problems with Ipsy, or am I the only one? Let me know that down in the comments below. I look forward to talking with you there, and thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I love you guys so very much. I do tutorials on this channel and makeup hauls and other things, and I do swatches over on my other channel, Swatch Investigator. I'll link it in here for you just in case that interests you, and I will see you guys real soon in another video.